Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and pretty much what it is a Nano Ionic facial steamer that you can use to help reduce any kind of like acne, wrinkles, dry skin on your face and whatnot. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you what comes out the package first. So when we open the package itself, you guys can see that there is the user manual on here that explains how to use it and all the different functionality that's on here. Then they provide you a little kit right here that is for like the back head removers and whatnot. They can actually remove any kind of acne or whatever on your face. They provide you this very nice kind of headband that you can use to put around your face, so that way it's only working directly on your face and not on any part of your hair and whatnot. So that's pretty cool and really nice of them to provide this, and it's actually really cute. So I'll actually show you guys that in a second. And then they provide you the actual product itself, as you can see. So this is the top part of the product. And then they provide you a little measuring cup that you can use to measure how much water you guys put onto the product itself. And then last but not least is the actual product itself right here. So basically how it works is that you guys want to plug in the cable right here, and then you guys can press the button to activate it. So it's very simple. In terms of how much water you guys can add, it's only adding up to this cup right here. So they recommend that you use distilled water because it's better for your skin and for your health. So once you guys add the water on here, you can pour it in here. And once you guys pour the water in here, all you have to do is just seal up this part right here, just like this. And then once it's sealed, you guys can start using the product. But let's actually go test it out to show you guys how it works and whatnot, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so we have the product all plugged in and it's ready. You guys can see right here. So you guys can see that the steam is coming out already. In terms of the steam itself, it's actually pretty warm. But let me actually test it out and see how it performs. So you can see I have a face right here right now. So maybe you want to close your eyes when you guys use this and close your mouth obviously. And if you guys want to move your face around the steam so you guys can work on different parts of your face. Definitely loosen up the skin so it's a lot easier to remove any kind of acne and whatnot, and kind of avoid wrinkle skin and dry skin from happening. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the test of the product. You can see that actually does work and actually works quite well. All you have to do is just keep your face within 7 to 8 inches away from the product so you can work throughout the entire face itself. The cool thing about these nano steamers is the fact that it actually goes deeper into your skin compared to the regular steamers that only works on the surface of your skin. So in terms of the headband, this is basically what it looks like. If you guys want to, you guys can actually put it on if you guys want to. So for this product, they say that for one measuring cup, when you guys fill it to the maximum of where it can go up to, you guys can actually get up to 8 minutes usage on this product. But now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. I do see myself using this in the future to kind of help with any kind of dry skin, or if I have acne on my face, then it'll be definitely worth it in those cases. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's meant for the unboxing, testing, and feedback with the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have...